People can really go wild with Ford F-150 modifications. The thing is, the truck is such a blank slate. You see two parked next to each other, and they look totally different. Kind of like how your favorite sandwich shop lets you pile on the toppings. The first mod I always see, a suspension lift kit. Because if you aren't looking down on cars at every stoplight, what's even the point? But seriously, it's not just for looks. You get more ground clearance, better off-road angles, and that commanding view of traffic. Pain point, installing a lift is a beast. There's alignment to worry about, shocks, and sometimes drive shaft issues. Average drivers spend $1,500 to $5,000 and then realize their garage is suddenly too short. Measure before you buy. Trust me. Second up, wheels and tires. Staggeringly, 83% of F-150 owners say they upgrade within a year. People want bigger, meaner tires and shiny black or chrome wheels. Pro tip, all-terrains are the happy balance for city and mountain road warriors. Not everyone knows LED headlight upgrades can make an actual night and day difference. The stock headlights are basically a polite suggestion in heavy rain. Swapping in LEDs costs around $200 to $300 and turns nighttime rural roads into daylight. Remember to aim them right. Cold air intake kits are the hidden juice mod. The numbers claim up to 20 extra horsepower and improved throttle response. If you drive an older F-150, this alone can make it feel a generation newer. Just a $250 kit and an hour of your Saturday. Pain point here, don't expect a miracle in MPG. People always hope for a 20% boost. My buddy got like 1 extra mile per gallon. Maybe. Treat power gains as the main benefit, and anything else is a small win. A lot of owners hate the stock exhaust sound. Enter aftermarket exhaust systems. A $700 Flowmaster or Borla can give your F-150 that throaty growl. But prepare for drone if you pick the wrong muffler. Highway drive should still feel chill. Tonneau covers. Listen, these things are divisive. Some love the look and the minimal security. Others think they're a waste. But aerodynamically, roll-up covers can actually give you 2 to 3% better MPG on the highway. That adds up across road trips. One almost nobody regrets, upgrading the sound system. Factory audio is basic at best. I swapped out my speakers for $300 and felt like I was driving a mobile concert hall for the first time. Add a sub if you want to risk noise complaints. For tech lovers, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay head units are game changers. You can get these aftermarket for roughly $350 to $700. Navigation, podcasts, voice control. Huge leap over the prehistoric UI Ford's put in over the years. All-weather floor mats may not be flashy, but in Portland it rains 9 months of the year. Keeping mud and leaves off the carpet? Priceless. WeatherTech is the gold standard, and they're like $200 for a full set. Last thought, mods aren't all about flexing. They're about utility, style, and sure, having fun. The F-150 is already 90% of the dream. The right mods just make it yours. Build slow, budget smart, and let each mod actually solve a problem.